So today was one of those days, just nothing was working out in my favor. And ended up just calling it a day, ended up just closing it out. I'm going to break down some of the trades that I made and kind of recap what went down this morning, so stay tuned. So right off this morning, it was kind of weird. The live chat was having issues, kept freezing, kept having issues. My internet was doing weird things. I don't know what was going on. The broker was doing weird things. And it was just one of those days. There wasn't that many hot stocks really this morning. I was kind of looking around, like nothing was like a clear short, nothing was a clear long, and just wasn't the volume there. And everyone was like, today might be one of those slow days. And I was like, I agree, today could be a slow day. So I wasn't going to try to force it. I wasn't going to try to overtrade this morning. I wasn't going to try to make things happen that couldn't happen. And you can see here, TEVA was one of the trades that I made today. I went short here at the 930 area. That was previously where the VWAP is. The VWAP is still there at 1929. So you can see TEVA jumped up there at open, pulled back. It got up there to the VWAP once again. And I thought, okay, I can go short here. I went with small size. I thought I'd go short there. And then worst come to worst, I can add later if I need to. But it was one of those trades I wasn't like, I don't really have a clear idea of why TEVA could go down. I thought, yesterday had a good day. Maybe today could be a red day. But it wasn't like, okay, this stock is definitely going lower. There's a lot of pressure here. And it was one of those things. I wasn't really sure about it. So I wasn't like committed. And I could feel it kind of like one of those setups where I was like, this could be one of those days. And then it got down here to the 915 area. I tried to cover. I couldn't cover. Again, same issue that I had on ALDX I'll talk about. For some reason, I put my order in, and it put my order on the bid, put my order on the ask. I don't know why. It changed my order from 1920 to 1915. I have no idea why. I don't know why Short Trader is doing this to me. It did it again here on TEVA, trying to get me filled on the bid and not the ask. I wanted to get filled on the ask. I wanted to be done with it. I wanted to make 50 bucks and be done. But instead, I ended up covering here as this thing went higher. It got back to green on the day. I was like, okay, my internet's doing weird. I just need to shut everything down, shut it all down, reset it, restart my modem, and just kind of come back, maybe be done. It was already 10:30, 10:45. I wanted to be done at 10 o'clock. I wanted to make $100 a day. I was in the green. I was in the green $100 here on ALDX. This is the 5-minute chart. I ended up going short here at the 650 area. I was hoping to get filled a little closer to 660. You can see had a quadruple top there, resistance kicking in there. Had a lot of pressure there at 660. Yesterday, this thing ran up big. It was coming down. I thought today could be the first red day, which it looks like it could possibly be the big red day, but there's not a lot of volume there. And here, I tried to get filled here on ALDX at the 620 area from that 650 fill. They're short, could not get filled. I don't know what happened. It just, like I said, it wouldn't let me get filled. I put like 3 or 4 orders, I think like 5 orders out there trying to get filled on the ask and would not work. So I was like, okay, well, shit. Let me see if I can just get filled market. So I ended up just filling market there at 630. So, what a pain. What a real pain right there, because I was in the green. I was up $100 on the day. It was like, okay, this is working out beautiful. I could be done. I could have one trade, make $100, be done for the day, come back tomorrow, because I was already having issues with the internet and stuff. But then now my broker's freezing, and then the broker froze a couple times. I had to restart my broker, and then it was a pain. I don't want to make excuses. I really don't. But some days it's just how it works out. I'm happy that I'm not in the red. I had a small winner here on ALDX, made $50, and then lost $18 there on TEVA. So it's not a big deal. I'm not going to go and cry about it all day. But at the end of the day, it's frustrating because I know I was there. I know I was in the green. I could have been up $100 on the day. I could have had a $100 day easily here on ALDX and then been done. But instead, I had issues. At the end of the day, I'm going to end up being about up like $10 on the day after commission. So not a beautiful day for me. Not a great day. But at the end of the day, I'm not red. So that's good. So then after that, really, it just was like, okay, nothing really is looking hot. What am I going to do? I was looking at a couple different stocks. CYCC was looking at this one. This thing broke above $2. You can see had that resistance there at the $2 area. It got up there right to $2. Got stopped out. Look at the 1-minute chart here. It got up here to $2. Double top there, $2. It pulled back and then made the move from that 193 area up here to 212, 213. So beautiful move here on CYCC. Could not get filled once again. I don't know what happened. Like I said, just trying to get filled. My broker doing all kinds of weird things. And this would have been a nice little 10, 20 cent move there on CYCC. This was alerted in the chat room, in the profit chat room. If you guys want, there's a link in the bio. Try it out for 3 days for free. It's free. You can come try it out. You don't have to pay anything. You can just try it out. If you don't like it, you leave. If you like it, you can stay. It is what it is. Like I said, come check it out. That was alerted in the chat room this morning. I'll kind of show you the alert there. So there it is. There's the CYCC alert there at 201 to buy that break. right up to that 210 area there on the bottom of that target. So nice little move there on CYCC. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I'm sorry if you tuned in this morning for the live stream, had some issues. Hopefully, a couple people talked about how they actually made money on the CYCC move in the live stream. A couple other people talked about some other stocks they were moving and trading, but I just had a weird day, and I'm not going to force it. I feel like today's kind of a jinx, you know, kind of write it off, come back tomorrow. I'll restart my computer, restart the internet, and just come back new, fresh tomorrow, and wait for the right setup, wait for the best setups here. Like I said, today, kind of a weird day. And kind of breaking down one more time here on TEVA. Like I said, I think I was in the right place, kind of in the right mindset with TEVA. I think I might have shorted it a little early here at the 1930 area. I should have waited for a clear kind of, you know, retest double top area. I was like, okay, I'm going to go in here at 1930 and then kind of keep my stop loss at the 1940 area, where I should have been thinking, you know, I'm going to wait, see if this is going to bounce. It's one of those things, you know, hindsight's always 20/20. This would have been the better opportunity to short here at the 1940 area. You can see kind of had that 1944 top on this candle, and bam, got a triple top here. Could not go higher, and now it's back down there to 1915. So I was there. I was right. I was in the right mindset, had the right idea, TEVA, but, you know, it's kind of choppy, not very clear. And like I said, it wasn't a clear idea like, hey, why is this going to go lower? What's the real reasoning behind this short? You know, do you have a actual idea? And I didn't really have an idea. So then I was like, okay, I might just be over trading this, might be forcing it. So just stepped away, down $18 on TEVA, and on the day, just kind of basically breaking even there, making $10 after commission.